In this one, you were proud of me for going to college to be a real teacher. You stole my heart from the first day we met. I will never forget this day. This picture was taken when we were in the 5th grade. This was an incredible year for all of us. You were getting ready to go to middle school, and I had to leave your school to resign as your special education assistant in order to finish my education courses to become a special education and elementary teacher. I love this picture because it shows the uniqueness and character that these hold true. The smiles are genuine and the memories will last a lifetime. The quote on the front, because you believed in us, we believed in us, brought tears to my eyes and still does this time to read it. I did believe in you and always will. Each year, I watched you grow and learn, and as you learned and grew, it wasn't until later I realized how much I had learned and grew. You taught me more about life and myself than I could have ever dreamed possible. Today, when I see how independent you are, playing sports, cheerleading, driving cars, and dating, it fills my heart with joy. You are pursuing things that you wanted to do, just like I'm pursuing what I wanted. Today, as I teach second grade language arts with a degree in elementary and special education, I want you to know that you all were an inspiration and the reason I kept pushing forward in education and in my field. I hope I was able to make a difference in your lives because you should have known